Hello? Please, those my files, help me to access them and send the report to my table, to my office. No. Why will you go and send it to my email? I don't have data to access them there. No, nah. Hello? My time has finished. Hey, my neighbor. Bye.
What?
I forget my key. Bye.
Where is your bag?
My bag.
My brother, where are you rushing to?
I have bills to pay.
I know. I saw you when you were receiving calls.
Exactly.
Now, there's a brand that has come with a package for you. They give you unlimited SMS and unlimited calls, plus 100 gigabytes as low as £20 per month.
Wait, where are we starting from?
Visit vhomes.co.uk and everything is unlimited.
Oh, you register me?
Of course.